Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna take the bike to the dealership. I was supposed to replace my brake pads maybe like 2-3 weeks ago. The bolts ended up being very stripped and I don't want to mess with it anymore. I don't want to break it more than it already is, so I'm just gonna take it down. They'll probably be able to extract it pretty quickly, and it gives me an excuse to ride out to the dealership tomorrow. But yeah, it's the day before we go. I'm just gonna go get some gas because I don't think I filled up in quite a bit. And yeah, let me show you guys how bad the stripping is. Damn, I'm breathing hella hard. I don't know if you guys could see that or if it's even focusing on it. But yeah, the ZX6Rs, or at least this model year, come with these really cheap Allen heads. And I don't know what the torque spec is on these. I don't know how tight they are. But with this bike being so old and so low miles, I don't think these were ever removed. So that's probably why they were super hard to take off. I tried it with a Allen key, obviously. That didn't work. I didn't really round it off too much. Then I tried it with a ratchet, and that's when I really started to round it off. And then my buddy let me borrow his 3/8 inch torque, and that really just finished it off. So I said, I don't really want to cut into these, make it worse. So let's see if hopefully the dealer can do it pretty quickly and not too expensive. So yeah, let's go get some gas. Not bad. Oh, okay, whose car is that on the ground? Hey, someone dropped their card. I was getting gas. I saw it on the floor over there. The one right behind this one. I don't know what number it is. I'm sorry. Yeah, the bike. I have a motorcycle right there. Yeah, the inside one on the other side over there. Yeah. Yeah. I gotcha. Yeah, I just saw it when I was pulling up. I was like, oh, that's not supposed to be there. Oh, yeah, right. Have a good one. A little bit. It's usually when I don't have it recorded, that's when the crazy shit happens. So that's how it always is. So I just got to keep it rolling, Take care, man. I think that'll do it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's now the next day, so let's head out to the dealership. I'll see you guys there. We're on the way there now. It kind of looks like it's gonna rain. I checked the weather beforehand and I didn't see anything, so I'm hoping we'll be okay. But I did wear my rain jacket just in case. Yeah, it's gonna take us about an hour to get there. About 5 p.m. so it's rush hour. So hopefully, as we start to get a little closer, traffic will start to die down. If I don't say anything else, enjoy the ride. Traffic looks a little rough, but hopefully we'll manage.
got rifles out, man. That smells so good. Is that Five Guys? I'm so hungry. Starving even. I don't really know my muscle cars like that. I don't know what year that is. It's old, late 60s? Late 60s, early 70s, I think. I don't know, but that thing's pretty nice. The passenger side right, or passenger side back tire looks a little rotten. Maybe he just bought the car. Who knows? That's about the most curves we're getting today, so detour. What road? I did not hear what she said. Oh. Long ass left turn on green light, man. Next sign, turn left. He says. SI. C900 RS, dude. That thing's nice. Color was sick too. Had the blue with the bronze.
At the light, turn left onto North Gary Avenue.
Gary. See the guy at the front. Let's take everything off first. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna turn the camera off. I love that color. The red and white. I can't zoom in that far. I can't zoom in. Seen that color before. Alright, we got the bike back, baby. I'm gonna be late to work, so we're just gonna head out right now. That thing's fucking sick, dude. Oh my god. We're going. Thank you. Yeah, I'm fucking burning. I'm toasting out here. Wearing an all black shirt probably wasn't the best idea either. How long did I bring the bike in? I think it's been about a week. Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I don't think it's going to be very long, but if it is very long, thanks for making it to the end. If you made it to this far in the video, I love you. And I'll see you guys in the next one.